back again with another beauty tutorial. Before I go ahead and jump into today's makeup look, I'm just asking you guys to go ahead and check out my description box and the comment section. I posted a link down below where you guys can go ahead and leave me a testimonial, and that's all on you guys. You guys are the ones that encouraged me to do this. So yeah, shout out to everybody that has left me a testimonial so far. I'm looking forward to, you know, everybody else's testimonial, and oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. But yeah, so it's down below, go check that out. And now let's jump on into today's makeup look. We're starting off with the brows. As you can see, I'm getting into laying my brows to make it look, you know, like it's laminated with my Got To Be gel. Nothing new here, but if you're new, welcome. Look at that, how neat, look how neat it just lays, and it just stays in place because it's got to be, you know, what you expect. But as I was saying, is I've been doing a lot of neutral looks, so today I wanted to dibble and dabble into some more color, a little bit more excitement, have a little bit more fun, you know. So that's exactly what we're gonna get into. I'm drawing down the brows so, you know, they can get, you know, like in place before I go ahead and start applying my makeup. And as you saw, I did take a wet wipe to just wipe away any extra residue that might be on the skin, because that will mess with the makeup if you don't clean it up. So this is a lip label, and this is a lip plumper. Guys, let me tell you, you see, if your pain tolerance is not up there, don't use this lip plumper. This lip plumper is extreme. It's the most extreme lip plumper I've ever used, ever. And I've been through some lip plumpers, okay? You know, we all like that juicy kind of lip look, and I feel like prepping your lips with a plumper can be really nice. It's all about preference though. But you see, this is like pepper on the lips, and if it gets on your tongue, it feels like real spice. It is very spicy. I'm doing my brows here, as you can see, nothing new. But yeah, that lip plumper is nothing to be played with. You definitely see the results. It's lasting, and yeah, the area gets a little numb. So I'm just letting you know, I'm being 100% with you guys. If you're not a plumper girl, you know, don't even bother. You're gonna cry. You're not gonna use it, okay? I promise you, it's really spicy. It's a 10 out of 10 when it comes on to the spice, okay? Say, okay, I'm gonna get my Sonia Kashuk rounded crease brush, and I get the Afrogalactic eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the shade Galaxy. I wanted a more orangey vibe for my crease color, and as you can see from the intro, I was giving more of a sunset eye kind of vibe today. I wanted to keep that warmth. You know, we're leaving summer. Yes, I know some days are chillier than others now, but you know, I don't know, I just was in the mood to dibble and dabble in these colors today, and so this is what I did. I felt like it really complemented my skin tone really nicely. But as you guys know, once you're going ahead to apply your crease eyeshadow, you always do like tapping motions in combination with windshield wiper motions. I went in with this mustard eyeshadow to kind of, you know, overlap in the transition area. It wasn't too bright, but yeah, I got my Sigma eyeshadow base primer for the lower lid. I didn't use it for the crease because concealer was already there, and yeah, so I used the crease pencil, the primer pencil from Sigma, and this is really good. It's really good, you know. It really helps the how well the eyeshadow you apply to the lid to wear down. The appearance is more, you know, consistent, and I didn't apply this in the neatest way. I wasn't going for like a super defined crease. It was still a crease look, but you get what I'm saying. Kind of use a dense blending brush to kind of just make sure that the consistency of the application was very smooth. I went in with this very sparkly shadow, Spirit, guys. Yeah, I don't recall if I ever used this shadow. It's from the same I'm funny. No, it was from the same Afrogalactic palette. Listen, I know I've been doing a lot of sparkly like lid colors since recently. Like my past two looks have been sparkly eyeshadow on the crease. I'm gonna switch it up next time. And oh, by the way, I know I promised you guys that you would definitely get the strip lash tutorial today. Yeah, I'm sorry, I did film it, I didn't like it, I'ma refilm it, okay? It was just I was feeling myself right here, but I wanted to opt for a more like foil like color payoff at the end. So I sprayed my brush and I just swiped over that. Doing that, I wanted to do a very dramatic wing liner today, so I did move on to just getting my Maybelline Blackest Black gel liner, and this brush that I'm using is from Sigma. I'll put a link down below for the Sigma brushes if you're interested. So yeah, I took my time, and when creating a wing, you want to just take light small strokes, because you know, sometimes even I mess up after doing it for so long. So the smaller the strokes, the lighter your hand is the better. Okay, and it's kind of easier to watch and practice as you go along to get better at it. But as I was saying, is that you definitely get the strip lash tutorial soon. I'm not gonna even tell you when, you'll just see pop up soon. And I kind of was double thinking if I wanted to give you guys another lash tutorial so soon, even though you guys requested it, because I literally just posted the cluster lash tutorial like a couple weeks ago, so I didn't want to be too redundant with that, you know. But it's coming. I'm not saying you're not gonna get it, you're gonna get it, okay? But I'm just giving you guys an update on that. So now I'm priming with my Revlon Photoready primer. You guys know this is my top pick when it comes on to a really good lasting primer to just really keep your makeup and make it matte for a long time. So the lashes I'm using are from Hermosa. I got this from my hair package, and as I said, strip lash tutorial coming up real soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm taking this kabuki brush from Sigma, and I'm just using my Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 410, and amazing foundation. We know this, like, what, this foundation I can never be out of, to be very honest. And listen, it goes so well with this primer. I don't even think you guys understand, like, yeah. It's like, it literally, like, the primer in combination with this is like, it just goes like, it just, oh my gosh, it makes it so matte and pretty. Anyways, especially if you have oily skin, this combo would be really good for you. Now I'm going with my Makeup by Mario concealer, and this is the shade 200, and I just apply that to all the areas I want to highlight. And I just take my time to blend that out. Everything blends down so nicely. Guys, remember, let me point out, whenever I'm gonna do my makeup, I always ensure I start off with perfectly moisturized skin. Okay, your skincare is so important, because that's how you get the best looking makeup applications. Okay, so with that being said, yeah, just stay tuned for the skincare tutorial. Okay, well, not skincare tutorial, but my updated skincare routine. I'm setting my entire face right now, but I start off with a highlighted portion, as you know. I'm using my one size translucent powder, and I just keep on dabbing that. I'm using this fluffy brush from Sigma. Your girl got upgraded recently by Sigma, so I'm going in with my Sigma brushes right now. Okay, I got this other Sigma angled dense like powder brush, and I'm using my Sephora. I'm using this to apply my Sephora powder, and I'm just applying these to all the areas of my face. I like to have like a nice contour. It's not really like a contour, more of like a bronze vibe, because it's not too dark, but it's still giving me somewhat of a definition, but I just don't want it to be too harsh, you know. It just looks super flawless, and everything is kind of just bleeding into each other seamlessly, and that's definitely the vibe I'm always going for. Like, it's just so good. So good. For the chin area, I do this little thing where I do like a V. You see it. That's how I kind of apply that shade, and then I also contour the nose, but with a fluffy brush, so there are no harsh lines whatsoever, and it's just the best. I get my powder puff to do a little bit of reverse contouring. As I said, if you don't want to come off with too much of a chiseled vibe, totally skip this step. Don't feel pressured to do it. Okay, you don't have to. You can literally just set that area, because the foundation is there. You could just use your shade face powder and move on with your day. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I did a little bit of baking beneath my eyes because I wasn't completely done with the eyes, because I wanted to do the pop of color, but I didn't do it right away though, because I think I almost forgot that I wanted to do a pop of color at this point in the application. But yeah, so I was just taking my time to apply the powder, and yeah, by the way guys, you know, everything that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box. So I'm going in with a combination of these eyeshadows. Yes, this is what is going to be my blusher for today, and I combine the two to maintain that sunset vibe, and I apply that to the high points of my cheeks, and that is so pretty. This gives me a tropical vibe. I can't even lie. The brown hair with this color combination is just beautiful. I got my Airbrush Flawless setting spray from Tilbury to kind of just, you know, set everything in place, make everything look more skin-like again, you know, because, you know, we're just working with so much powders, so you need to calm that down, and then get my fan to dry that down again. Very important tool to your makeup application, by the way. I get my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Seeker highlighter, and this is what I use to illuminate today. Looks like glass. Absolutely love it. Finish off the eyes, I'm going back in with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer, and I line the lower waterline with this. I go in with this blue pigmented eyeshadow. I got this from Amazon, and I take my time to really tap this on. And don't be too aggressive guys, this is literal loose pigment. You don't want it to get all over in your eye, it will be a mess, so be very controlled with application. And then I use the same orange and go beneath that with a like small blending brush, like a crease blending brush, to just give like a halo vibe. And this is such a beautiful combination to me. This blue just really stars the show. Now I'm going with my mascara, and I'm just kind of making sure that I blend my natural lashes at the base with the falsies, and I kind of amplify the lower lashes as well with that. That is it for the eyes. So sharp, so neat. I love it. Now finishing off with the lips, I'm doing my same lip combo. Boy, I know you guys must have sound tired of me on this lip combination, but come on. Which girl doesn't love a good nude lippy? I don't know. I'm gonna be switching it up though. I'm gonna be switching it up for upcoming tutorials, so stay tuned for that. I know I'm killing it with the nude lip look there, man. Jeez. But I'm gonna list all the products I use to achieve this look down below, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today's makeup look. Let me know if you found this informative, if you enjoyed it. Yeah, this is it. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. As I said before, I'm gonna say it again, you know, I'm super grateful that you guys are over here just boosting me up again. Like you don't know how much it means to me. It's literally a blessing. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to go ahead and drop you guys testimonials. Oh my gosh, I'm looking forward to it. The link is down below in my description and in the comment section. Go ahead, click that link, leave your girl a testimonial. I appreciate the support so much in advance, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.